Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2021 Toyota CHR. It comes equipped with a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine paired to a CVT transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather heated seats, heated steering wheel, lane keep assist, as well as cruise control, air conditioning, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, so you're going to have this black and gray interior with paneling and cup holder storage on the bottom, right next to the speakers. You're also going to have this kind of triangle texture, I guess, throughout the vehicle. Power locks, mirrors, and windows right next to the handle. Also going to be CHR badging and these leather heated seats with driver adjustable lumbar. It's pretty comfortable. Left side, you'll have your vents. Down below with lighting and your heated steering wheel. Left side of steering wheel will be your cruise control, or sorry, not your cruise control, your voice recognition and volume control. And the right side will be your cruise control, lane departure warning, and your front collision sensor. Now for the odometer here, you can pretty much access all your vehicle information. Including your trip info, your gauges here, as well as your G monitor, as well as Bluetooth connectivity, your lane center assist, and just other settings as well. It's going to be push to start just right there, and onto the infotainment system. By grace note, you're just going to have Bluetooth connectivity as well as downloadable apps. You can access your eco as well as your vehicle alert history. And if you want to have navigation, you're going to have to sign up that with a third party. You're going to have your dual zone climate control with the heated seats. And then down below, you're going to have a USB port with some storage right next to that cup holder there. And the shifter with your park and brake and traction control with another cup holder. And center console with a 12-volt DC port. Passenger side, manually adjustable, same leather finish, heated as well. And that texture again across the door. Speakers up top here. And then here you can access your reading lamps, and as well you can see those funky designs. These 18-inch aluminum wheels on Dunlop sport tires. You're going to have the black mirror caps because of the black roof, that two-tone finish. Keyless entry door handle, tinted rear glass in the back. There we go. Lift it up, you're going to have the splitter with the 60/40 seats in the back, extra storage on the sides. Lift this up, you're going to have extra wheel well storage and tools if you want to change a tire. It's a very spacious rear. And moving on to the rear interior, you're going to have speakers again on the bottom, cup holder up top, the power windows and the handle there. And we hop in the back. Pretty decent legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's side. No cup holder or armrest, unfortunately. You're just going to have the splitter in the back there with a lamp up top. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2021 Toyota CHR Limited. Comes equipped with a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, as well as leather heated seats, lane center assist, as well as Bluetooth connectivity, cruise control, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.